Hello friend, welcome to Imprint solution. I'm going to explain how you can customize thousand of product using this one machine and you can start your business. Also, I'm going to share one idea at the end of this video. So watch complete video and then you can start your business. First of all, I'm going to explain function of this UV DTF printer. It can print sticker which you can transfer directly on any product like plastic, iron, wood or any hard surface. You can paste this sticker. This is 12-inch UV DTF printer. Also we have 24-inch UV DTF printer. If you want to buy, then you can contact us. Details in a description. Let me explain how you can transfer this sticker on any product. First of all, you have to print all these stickers. If you want to design your oven sticker, you can design and you can print on this printer. Now I have printed these stickers. After that, you have to just cut, and like this you have to remove one film and then take a product and paste it. After paste, just you have to remove one film again, then your product will be ready. After paste, you have to just normally press and then you can remove film so it can stick properly. Here you can see, so it can stick on plastic, iron, wood, any hard surface, and it is heat resistance, and also it can stay for a long time. Now I think you have understood how to apply UV DTF sticker on any product. This is easy process, anyone can do easily. So like that you can customize different type of product and you can sell to customer. If you want to buy this machine, then you can buy, and after that you can print a sticker and customize product and provide to different type. There are many companies, they need customized product, so you can print a customized sticker and then you can apply on product and you can provide to company. So you have understood everything about it. If you want to buy and if you want to invest money, then you can buy this printer from us. We can provide a printer as well as all support regarding your business. And if you don't want to invest your money, so there is a one idea I had told you at the beginning of this video. So I'm going to share that idea so you can start your business without investment. Many client they are doing the same thing. So I'm going to explain it. So first, how you can start without investment. You have to find the customer who require a customized product. After that, you can make a design for that customer and you can send to us. After that, you can get a sticker, ready-made printed sticker. Then you can customize product and you can provide to your customer. It means you not need to buy this machine. You can take a printout from us and then you can customize a product and sell to your customer. So there is a second way. Without investment you can start, and after that, you if you wanted to invest in a printer, then you can invest and then you can reduce cost by buying this printer. Definitely, if you are buying this printer, there will be a low cost printing cost, so it will be better for you. But later, if you wanted to expand your business, then you can invest money and then you can manage your cost properly. So this is the second way you can start your business with this printer. There are many different type of products you can customize with this sticker. It can apply on any hard surface. Many our client, they are doing such a type of things. They are customizing products. They like any new startup, they need a branding. So you can tie up with such a type of startup, and you can take a order, and you can make a design and send to us. We can provide a sticker to you. Otherwise, if you wanted to invest, and then you can invest some money in a printer, then it will be more, it can give more benefit to you. So this is how you can make money using this printer. There are several products in the market you can customize and sell to customer. For example, we have many clients. Let me give an example. We have one client who just design only tumbler. Also one client who design only a bottle, water bottle, and different type of products you can think, and you can use your creativity, where you can use this sticker, and you can make something different in the market, and you can sell to customer. This way you can earn more profit. So I hope you have understood everything. If you have any query regarding this printer, and also regarding printed sticker, you can comment below. Also you can contact us. We can help you to start your business. See you next time with new idea. Thank you. Have a good time.